To check what version of firmware your battery is running, go ahead and connect your battery to your computer and open up AS Dashboard. Select the Info tab and you'll see the firmware version listed under the battery management section. So here you can see I'm using version 3.6.1.0. To update your battery firmware, connect your battery to your computer and launch AS Dashboard. Also ensure that you have the newest firmware binary easily accessible. Here I've just got it on the desktop. We're going to select the Info tab, and right next to the firmware version there's a little symbol, firmware update. Click on this and you'll have a secondary menu. Under Update File, point the system to where you have the binary located. It should tell you your current version and what version you're updating to. Go ahead and click Update. You'll have a brief caution message. Select Update again. And the battery will begin to be updated. When it's complete, the battery may be off, so you will have to restart the battery. As you can see here, we're not connected. After restarting the battery, you can go to the Info and note that our firmware version has now been updated. There are times when updating the battery firmware that it will fail to update. I'm going to go ahead and simulate that, and we're going to walk through how to recover. So just as an example, I'm going to go here. We're going to act like we're normally updating the firmware. And then wait for a failure. So in this case, I've unplugged the USB just to simulate what will happen. The program will continue to try to update and eventually show a failure message. The code may look like this. So firmware update failed, unknown message. Let me go ahead and plug the battery back in now. Now, oftentimes you will not have any driver issues, and the dashboard will actually tell you that the battery is still in boot mode. So if you do see this, it may automatically open this window again. You can either try to update the firmware once more, or just abort the shutdown. So if I hit shutdown here, the battery will exit bootload mode, and after I restart it, it should be functioning as normal. Let's walk through this one more time. So if I go to Update and force a failure, and then close. So what we may want to do to rectify the situation is to once again go to the Help menu, go to Service Center, Setup, and try to reinstall the drivers. When the battery is still stuck in bootload mode, if I go to Device Manager, it'll show up as an AES device firmware upgrade device. So if you see this, you know that the battery is stuck in bootload mode. So earlier, we just went ahead and did the shutdown. If you do see that the battery is in boot mode and you are connected, you can try the update once again, and it should succeed. There we go. So this time it was a success. Restart the battery, and we're connected.